welcome to Unit 1. This is our group, Brianda, Michelle, Alex, and Kay. And we are going to begin our team meeting. For this unit, I chose the teaching and learning editions for all of my readings. I'm very appreciative that there's a teaching and learning edition, and this is what I'll be giving a review on. I was very impressed with the layout of the report. I like how it was divided in 7 sections, including a summary, trends, key technologies, scenarios, implications, methodology, and expert panel roster. And the summary opening gave a great concise summary of each of the above sections. I can see from the layout that it's well formatted, well researched, and well written about current topics that are important in the teaching and learning aspect of our world. The ISTE facilitator standard is the one that I see myself most connecting with at work. Although I don't use technology per se with my early childhood students in the sense that we're learning about in this class, we are creating opportunities that challenge our kids by beginning with simple math procedures in which we begin to encourage them to use their critical thinking skills to come up with the answers. And as a student myself, I connect most with the computational thinker because it's important for me to break down assignments into parts so that I can understand what I need to do. Alex, would you like to go next?
I'll discuss how generative AI enhances student learning and promotes active thinking as highlighted in the 2023 EDUCAUSE Horizon Action Plan. Generative AI creates new content based on existing data patterns, transforming educational approaches through text, images, and other formats. Educators become facilitators with generative AI, creating environments for deeper understanding. By guiding students in using AI tools, they help them find information and construct knowledge, aligning with the ISTE standard for educators. Generative AI empowers students to tackle real-world challenges, allowing them to gather and synthesize information. This supports the ISTE Knowledge Constructor Standard, encouraging them to become active creators of knowledge. It also fosters computational thinking, helping students develop problem-solving strategies by stimulating outcomes and testing approaches, aligning with ISTE's computational thinker standard. The Horizon Action Plan shows that generative AI enables educators to create engaging learning experiences, ultimately empowering students to learn deeply and prepare for a more innovative future.
So I'm Brianda. I read over the 2021 reports as well as the 2020 reports, and I also read the augmented course design and the teaching and learning workforce in higher education. For this assignment specifically, I am focusing on the 2020 Horizon report about teaching and learning. I chose this report because it spoke about emerging technology, especially I found it very interesting because it was during 2020, which is during the pandemic and when technology really got implemented into the classroom. So the emerging technologies that they spoke, it was the extended reality, so virtual reality as well as augmented reality. I found that this connected to the ISTE standard for students, the knowledge constructor, where students can creatively curate a variety of resources using digital tools, and also to the facilitator standard for the standard for educators as facilitators, where educators facilitate learning with technology, which is why I chose the 2020 report.
My name is Kay Griggs, and I'm going to report on the 2022 Teaching and Learning Report in regards to AI for learning analytics, AI for learning tools, hybrid learning spaces, streaming hybrid remote learning models, micro-credentials, professional development for hybrid remote teaching. AI is a concept that impacts our daily life in one way or another. Since COVID, AI has changed our world significantly, and it continues to do so and change daily. As far as the AI for learning analytics is concerned, after reading the article, it discusses how not only the data that we're able to process from AI is important, but also the ability to incorporate that data into functional and meaningful information.